Hey, what's up? It's Viv from Easy Unreal. Let me show you how to generate 3D models with text. Just like a ChatGPT generates text, we generate text that will convert it to the 3D object that we can later import into Unreal. I will show you exactly the steps how to do it. This technology is at its beginnings, but I'm sure that in a few years this will be a game breaker. For sure. If you go to this site, it's called Rodin hyperhuman.demos, and over here you can see the text input. So we'll just add a text that will generate our object. Over here I'm thinking about a fantasy chest that I want to import into my game. So we can just type in fantasy chest, but as always you can go to the ChatGPT and type over here, give me a, and just select the part you want. For example, I will go back to a website and paste it here and click OK, and we have our chest. If we want, we can regenerate it, or if we are happy, we can press this accept button and we can add another input, but we will go with this chest, it's okay. Over here you can see your geometry, and you can also redo the geometry if you click over here, redo, and it will regenerate your geometry. On the top you can change your prompt, you can add more details for a geometry, you can change with the sharp edges, smooth edges, and so on. It depends on the model that you want to create, and when you are done you can just click over here, confirm. We'll go with 10,000 polygons, and this will take a while. After the geometry is generated, we can see the material. I will go with this standard material that we already have here. Go over here on the credit, you can check out the PBR temperature, so we will increase. This is the quality of the PBR. Let's check it out. After it's done, we can see the texture on the left side. It's not perfect, but let's import it to see how it looks. Over here under the pack, we can choose the geometry. It will be base model, and I will go with the FBX for Unreal Engine 5 export to be material PBR 1K texture, and hit download. And all we need to do is to drag and drop this folder to the Unreal Engine and click over here, import all. If you got this error, just hit apply to all, click yes. You can clear this, it's not important. And here we have our chest over here, so we just drag and drop it to our level, and you can see how this looks like. Don't forget that we can also go over here on this mesh and go to nanite. We need to enable the nanite. So we have a nanite chest ready. It looks decent. It's not the top quality, but this is a clear preview of what we can expect in the future, and I think this will be awesome. If this technology got to the point where it's super high quality and high detail, there is no end to our fantasy, to our creativity. So I highly appreciate this program, highly appreciate the guys who works on this, and keep up the good work. And this is it. If you like this video, drop some comments and likes below, and as always I like to share my 75 tips and tricks in the description below, so you can be faster and more efficient in Unreal Engine 5. So if you need something like that, check out the video, and see you in some other video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.